going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. All right. Got a good one. Sovereign citizen in front of Judge Clark out of Bay County, Florida. Now, this sovereign citizen's a little odd. I'll take it. I mean, aren't they all? But this one especially, he doesn't use the main sovereign citizen arguments, but he does touch on a few. He doesn't say he's the beneficiary of the trust. He doesn't say he's there by special appearance. Doesn't challenge jurisdiction. But he does say a few of the other ones, so I'm classifying him as a sovereign citizen. You guys can be the judge. You can let me know in the comments if I'm right or the comments if I'm right or wrong. All right, I'm talking too much. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
He was given a notice, conditional release by Judge Campbell. Mr. Thompson, you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you today? What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at revoking your release because, in my opinion, you should be in custody and should not have been released from custody. I believe this is a new law violation. Is that correct?
A what, sir?
A new law violation.
I don't know.
When you arrested on another driving license, suspended or revoked?
Yes, they were staking out my house, and I don't understand why. I was going to get some food.
I'm going to revoke your release at this time and take you into custody for a violation of probation. Go ahead and take you into custody.
I'm here to finalize that disclaimer that I have. It's here now, sir. If you
take him into
would
custody.
Accept it, please.
I'm revoking your release. You should have been held without bond. He's going to be held without bond.
I'm not going anywhere.
Just give him to his father bearer.
Can't believe this is happening again.
We'll talk to him again about an attorney when he has a seat of her.
I was down there trying to pay the fines before I came in here, sir.
Driving. Mr. Thompson,
well, they told me to come back after this.
I signed the warrant. I thought you were being held without bond. I guess I should have checked, but I'd have signed the warrant. You'd be held.
That was because my father, he said, I've been helping with the families that had a pacemaker put in just a few days ago, and I'm trying to help nurse the family.
Put him in the box.
You were taking me away from the family.
Put him in the box.
Anything else in your property that you want to give?
I got the money on me to pay the fine.
Put him in the box.
I'm sit right here.
Here.
Right there.
I need to use the restroom.
You need to hold on.
All right, I forgot to do the fade in, fade out to let you know that time has passed. This is about 20 minutes later, and this is when we hear some of the sovereign citizen arguments. Again, you be the judge. You let me know.
Mr. Thomas, you before the court, you were arrested on a new misdemeanor charge. Judge Campbell, I think, released you for a notice to appear today, or released you on your pretrial release. This is my probation. I got a warrant, so I'm going to issue a warrant today, hold without bond, based on
What is that now?
Judge Campbell, you were arrested on a new misdemeanor driving license suspended or revoked. Judge Campbell, on your violation of probation, released you. Pretrial release program. I'm revoking that release because it's my probation, and I'm gonna hold you without bond based on the new violation.
That's just terrible.
I can't help it, Mr. Thompson. You've got another.
I was here to disclaim and surrender all those documents that hold me liable here and move for subrogation.
Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, sir.
You understand attorneys are. Go ahead and swear Mr. Thompson in.
For what reason?
I'm gonna swear you and ask you some questions.
I don't think I'm supposed to be sworn in. Due to my faith.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you to affirm, not swear. Okay?
It's the same thing, though, isn't it? Affirming and swearing?
I don't know.
I'm here for, let my yeas be a nay and my noes be a no.
Whatever that means. It means
yes, sir.
But what I will
I'm here for
let me ask you, do you wish to have
there's no justice in this house.
Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, you keep doing it anyway, though. I mean, I've never authorized that from the beginning.
Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, sir.
All right. And how far did you get in school? How far did you get in school?
Graduated 12th grade.
Okay, and you were in the military, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I was in the Army infantry.
Okay.
Went to war and buried enough of my brothers and sisters to come home.
Yes, sir.
And this,
And
Kind
you
of
understand,
justice.
and you can read and write? Correct?
to an extent,
Okay. You can't read and write altogether?
well, I mean, it all depends on what dictionary you're using too.
Well, if you use a regular legal dictionary, can you read and write that? Read that.
Say again?
A regular dictionary.
Didn't what?
And you read it, it's a regular dictionary, Webster's dictionary.
Yes, I have one at home.
Okay. So you can write too.
I have several different ones. I have Black's Law's dictionaries as well.
I was gonna
medical
say, so you can read and write.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I know you've been treated, but I've had you examined before.
All right. Black's Law's Dictionary. Ding, ding, ding. That kind of screams sovereign citizen right there. Not necessarily. But the argument he made when he first came up that he was going to sign his rights away and what I don't remember what he said now. Something about subrogation. Subrogate. I feel like he mispronounced that word because, anyways, what was I just gonna say? He has a couple more up his sleeve that he's gonna drop, but I'm gonna let this video play out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Again, let me know in the comments if you think this is a sovereign citizen. I do. Just wait till the very end. Listen to what he says. All right. Until next time. Bye.
100% disabled.
I understand that. I've done everything I could to keep you out of
I've
jail.
already been injured 2 different times at the jails.
I understand that completely, Mr. Thomason, but I've had no luck. Every 2
I
months.
came here
you're
to
back
pay and
in-
they told me to come back to complete
Every
it
2
'cause I
months,
couldn't-
you're back in court. So what I'm going to do you still wish to represent yourself?
I don't, I think that's the best matter for me.
I mean, it's up to you right now.
I just still think that's the best matter for me, but
What
yeah,
I'm gonna
it
do-
doesn't seem like anything's fair inside this house. Nothing seems fair here.
How many times have you been released from custody in the last year?
I've been arrested 7 times
I
now
understand that.
without any victims. I don't understand how the state of Florida, a stack of papers, can be a victim.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna allow you to represent yourself, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and have Mr. Thompson evaluated again. Miss Nelson, if you go ahead and prepare us on the court's own order, I'm gonna hold you without bond based on the new
That's just
violation of
terrible.
probation.
My mother's 100% disabled. My dad has a pacemaker now, and you're gonna hold me without
Your
bond.
dad's
over
at court
driving
every day with you. I
infraction.
understand that completely, sir.
There've been no victims whatsoever in any of my arrests.
We'll set it for October 23rd at 9 o'clock.
I get another month, thanks. No justice. I have your oath of office. Look, if you would adhere
He
to
can
it.
be taken, go ahead and have a seat.